Alright, this is a video for 2HT and 2VT about exercise 3 from the practice test I sent you. It says on the right the graphs of y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5 and y equals 3x minus 13 are sketched. The graphs intersect each other in C and D. Calculate the coordinates of C and D. Well, if you take a look at the picture, we can see that we have a parabola and a straight line. And indeed, they intersect each other at point C and point D. So we want to know what are the coordinates for this point and that point. Well, there's one way to figure out, and that is to make an equation. We have to say one formula, the x squared minus 6x plus 5 equals the other one, and the other one is 3x minus 13. Now, if you swap this, if you write this on that side and this on that side, you get the same answer in the end, so you didn't do anything wrong. If you want to solve this, you always want to have a 0 over here. So I'm going to move the 3x over there, right? So then we get minus 9x, because we do minus 3x here and minus 3x there. We also have to do plus 13, because it's negative here. If you add 13 to that, you get 18. So x squared minus 9x plus 18 equals 0. Now we see x squared and x and a normal number. That means that we have to use the product sum method to solve it. You have to find two numbers. If you multiply them, you get 18, and when you add them, you get minus 9. Well, these are minus 6 and minus 3, because if you do 6 times 3, you get 18, and if you do 6 plus 3, you get 9. So then you say that x minus 6 equals 0, which means that x equals 6, or you say x minus 3 equals 0, which means that x equals 3. So what we know now is we know for the coordinates, here's point C, that's the first one we encounter on the x-axis. So we know that the x-coordinate is 3, but we don't know the y-coordinate yet. And for the other point, point D, we know the x-coordinate is 6, but we don't know the y-coordinate yet. So if you want to know the y-coordinate, you have to use either this formula or that formula, but this one is easier, so I'm going to use that one. And then we just fill in the x. So the formula is y equals 3x minus 13. So now we're going to do y equals 3 times 3 minus 13. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 13 is minus 4. So those are the coordinates for point C. If x is 6, however, then we do 3 times 6 minus 13. 3 times 6 is 18, minus 13 is 5. So the coordinates for point D are 6.5. And this is how exercise 3 works. So thank you for watching.